Namaste. In this video, I'll be describing coconut, two distinct types, tall and dwarf. This is mainly for the benefit of all the students who are studying horticulture, agriculture, and other farm science related courses. Certainly, this will help them in understanding the crop in a much better way. So, the title goes like this: Coconut, Tall versus Dwarf. As the very name suggests, Typica are the tall palms and Nana are the dwarfs. Two major and distinct types. So basically, coconut is divided into two groups based on their stature. The tall ones are called as Typica and the dwarf ones are called as Nana. Farmer is protandrous. Farmer means the tall ones. They are called, they are protandrous, means the andrecium matures first, means the male floral part matures first, protandrous. Okay. Hence, they are allogamous. Allogamous is related with pollination. Allogamous means cross pollinated because andrecium and gynoecium matures at differential times. So, there is a possibility of self pollination is almost nil. Therefore, tall palms are invariably cross pollinated. That is technically called as allogamous. The later ones, homogamous. Later ones means nana. The dwarf ones are homogamous, means both male and female reproductive organs mature simultaneously. Therefore, it favors self pollination. So that's why they are autogamous or self pollinated. Arasikere tall and Tiptur tall, East Coast and West Coast tall. These are the prominent tall types in Kerala, Tamil Nadu, and Karnataka. Okay. Chowgat orange dwarf and Malayan yellow dwarf. These are the major dwarf types of coconuts. So this basically I have told talls and dwarf. There are distinct varieties in these two groups. This particular stanza describes those traits. Talls may last for a century. If you see the lifespan of a coconut palm, it may last for nearly a century, but they may not be productive very highly after say 60 70 years in case of talls. While the dwarfs off of it means maybe 40 35 to 40 years they are highly productive. Farmer for the copra means generally tall ones are cultivated by growers exclusively for the purpose of copra making, especially in southern Karnataka. And the later for the tender nut. The dwarf ones are generally grown for the purpose of tender nuts. More care and water for the dwarfs. Dwarf varieties performs well only with a good amount of care, especially in terms of water and nutrient management. Slightly less is okay for the talls. So talls are slightly tolerant or they can tolerate drought and moisture stress to a larger extent than the dwarfs. But coconut is not a crop which is truly a dryland crop which requires water, no doubt about it. Drought affects dwarfs more, so not so with respect to the talls. That's what it describes. Dwarfs are more sensitive to Dwarfs are more sensitive and their counterparts, mean talls, aren't so. They are more hardier and robust. Talls are more hardier and they are much robust, so while the nana dwarfs are not. This is basically describing the two distinct, botanically distinct types, Typica and Nana, in coconut. So I just tried to capture uh, their triads, the differences between these two groups of coconut. Of course, there is a considerable amount of diversity exists in case of coconut. There is no doubt about it. So most of our students, graduate, postgraduate, and even doctoral scholars, they study in detail about the various aspects of coconut, right from its botany till the post harvest or value addition or whatsoever. So if any student anywhere in the world or India or Karnataka or whichever the part, if they have any doubts regarding these two types, so they can contact me. Thank you very much for your patient listening.